Is your Samsung fridge door alarm driving you crazy? It usually means the fridge thinks the door isn't closed properly. First, check the door gasket. That's the rubber seal around the door. Make sure it's clean and sealing tightly. If it's damaged or worn, that could be the culprit. Next, try resetting the fridge. For older models, unplug it for a minute. Newer smart fridges may have a reset door alarm feature in the Samsung SmartThings app, version 1.8 plus. If a reset works temporarily but the alarm returns, that points to a deeper issue. If the gasket looks good and resetting doesn't solve it, the door switch might be faulty. This switch tells the fridge if the door is actually closed. You can often find replacement door switch kits online for around $50. Use a screwdriver and multimeter to test continuity for this DIY fix. If you're not comfortable with that, or if the problem persists, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. According to recent data, a significant number of alarm issues stem from failing hardware. Don't ignore a persistent alarm, as it can waste energy and potentially spoil food.